So here's the backyard garden, callaloo, and we have reaped this so many times. Check out my kale. I can't remember who asked for these videos, but the person said, I want to see the garden now, okay? So I'm just doing this for you. Red cabbage. Now, this is the first time we're planting corn in our backyard, and it's coming to fruition, because the raccoons always come and do a toll on these babies. I'm at the point now where I'm praying that we get to reap some of this before they run amok. But this is barren. Like the tree has, just take a look at how many corn is on this one root. There's like one, two, three, like four. Yeah. I mean, this thing is barren. Check out this one over here. Look at this one corn. Sorry, red cabbage. So over here we had the regular cabbage and we reaped them. This is the last one that's in the ground at the moment. But everything else that was in that corner is gone now. This tomato plants. And of course, I'm so excited about my grapes. I planted this 4 years ago and I have not reaped anything because every time they come up, the squirrels were eating all my grapes. Last year when I was so sure I was going to get something from it, the squirrels came and devoured it. So this year, it's really doing good. And they managed to stay away for a while. Check this out. So hopefully, keeping my fingers crossed, I'll be able to enjoy some of these grapes. They're getting bigger. They've never gotten to this point. They usually eat them before they get to this stage. So fingers crossing. So Mother Nature has been very kind. Here's my tomato. This tree has so much tomatoes. They're hidden. Yeah. We planted some more tomatoes in the pots this year. And I think that's one of the reasons why they're not bearing so much. But I'm not complaining. Time. Someone said that my hard work has paid off. Our hard work. Because, you know, my hubby is the real farmer around here. Now for the cat. You know, I gotta give you some flowers before we end this video. Beautiful plant. So in the next clip I'm going to show you the cabbages. We literally harvested at least 12 or 13 cabbages, and I'm going to show the size. We already cut up some to freeze for the winter month, and like I said, this is the last one, but I just want to show you the size of what we got out of this garden. Also, I wanted to show you this cucumber tree, and I'm going to show you what size come off this tree. So here, check out this cabbage size. Just don't worry guys, I'm removing the outer layer when I'm ready to cook. Now check out this. Check the size cucumber. How do you say cucumber? Cucumber, whatever. Look at the size of this baby. Yeah, I think it's better to show it this way. It's just not cooperating. It's like I don't want to get so the tree didn't bear as much this year, but the sizes, the amount that we got off there is just phenomenal. Okay, in my next video I'm going to come back offering libation to the earth, to Mother Earth, in giving thanks for the blessings in this season.